My lips feels so soft. Look at that.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Efe and I bring you videos that has to do with beauty, skincare tips, lifestyle vlogs. So if this is something you absolutely enjoy, please definitely click on the subscribe button below, and I can't wait to have you join in the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so thankful and grateful to all of you guys supporting me, supporting my ministry. So today we're going to be talking about how you can achieve that lusciousness to your lips, how to get that natural pink lips going. This is not one of those pink lips balm. No, what I'm offering is a different kind of lip therapy to just help your lips to be softer, pinker, and definitely cuter. We actually abandon our lips a lot. We don't necessarily do much to our lips outside of using the lip balm, occasionally brushing our lips. Now, when you brush your teeth, you should actually brush your lips as well, because this helps to take out any dead skin cells on your lips, and it just helps your lips to just stay flake free and definitely softer and silkier. We're going to be making a very easy DIY lip scrub. This scrub helps to take out the dead skin cells from your lips, leaving your lips smoother, softer. It is so good. I use this once every week. Sometimes I forget and I use it like once every 10 days to 2 weeks. The important thing is to make sure it is included in your skincare routine, and you would find that your lips would start to look definitely more attractive. It definitely gives a lift to your overall appearance. And how to achieve the natural pink, that natural pink hue without using pink lip balm. I mean, there's some of them that are quite safe to use, but there's some I see and I get quite confused because they're either too cheap, or they just, some of them look like products that have very dodgy ingredients. And if you know me, I'm a DIY lover. I would prefer to be more in control with stuff I put on my face or on my body, on my lips. So we're going to be making a DIY lip scrub today. Now I've just got a thin layer of lip balm on my lips. It is so important for you to incorporate exfoliation of your lips. It also helps in absorbing products more. So even if you use your chapstick or you use your lip butter or you use like a lipstick, it helps your lips to penetrate products more. So I'm going to walk you through how to make your very own DIY lip scrub to give you that luscious pinkness to your lips. And it would definitely take out all of the dry skin cells and all of the flakiness on your lips. So it's dry lips be gone as we go into how to make your very own DIY lip scrub. Now you can see how easy it is for you to make your own lip scrub at home using ingredients that are not only natural and easy for you to get your hands on. So this is our lip scrub that we made. This is our lip scrub. So basically I'm just going to take a pinch first, and I'm going to start with my lower lip. Be careful, it can drop a bit. Some people actually lick this stuff, but I'm not going to lick it today. My lips feels so soft. Look at that. It feels really soft and smooth. And I'm gonna finish our lip care treatments today with the baby lips from Maybelline. Now it's really important to put a lip balm on your lips after you exfoliate to replace any lost moisture that has occurred when you exfoliate. So I'm just gonna put a bit of that lip balm on my lips. How lovely is that? Look at that luscious pink hue to my lips. I'm loving it and I hope you're loving it too. Give this a try at home to just help to give you appearance that lifts, that hug, to make your lips softer, smoother, and definitely more attractive. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button and definitely click on the subscribe tab and join in the family. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way again, it's me, Efe, signing